Introduce yourselves.
Hi, my name is Ardian. I'm a cloud engineer at Accenture.
I am Alejandra and I am a cloud native engineer.
Java or Python?
Python, it is simple and makes my life as a cloud engineer much easier.
Python, it is a very easy to use language and it is very powerful.
Creative chaos or relaxing structure?
Genius rules chaos.
I think creative chaos is a very nice environment to work in. It gives you a lot more freedom and then you get to think out of the box.
Fun or success?
Fun, isn't it obvious?
Succeeding having fun.
Tattoo, yes or no?
No way, because my mom would kill me.
Yes, definitely.
Suit or t-shirt?
I don't care, as long as I can wear my sneakers.
I think there is a time for everything, so I would choose both.
AWS, Google or Red Hat?
Google, definitely. There is no second option.
Why did you join Accenture?
Learning. I work on daily basis with people whom I admire. I get to learn a lot from them.
Do I look like a typical consultant? See? And that's the reason why I joined Accenture. Because here it matters who you are, not what you are.